This is a piano tutorial for the Christmas song, Jolly Old St. Nicholas. Really pretty easy here, not that many chords. I'm going to show it to you first as a piano soloist. So I'll go through the fingering here with you for the right hand. The first note is, this is in the key of G, and you've got to watch out for F sharp here in the melody. Although I'm quickly looking at this, I'm wondering if we even have an F sharp. It's in the key signature though. You start with your fifth finger on B. And then your second finger's on the E note there. Put your second finger on that G. And third finger on A. And then fifth finger on B again. Second finger on this E note. Second finger there. Really pretty easy there. And no, there aren't any F sharps. It's one of those odd things, why do they put F sharp in there and there are no F sharps in the song? Sorry, that's the way music is. The chords are G, C, D, and E minor, and also a B minor you've got in there. So the first chord is going to be root position here because your melody's up high. So it's G, B, D. And then we're going to go down to root position on that D chord there. D, F sharp, and A. Position E, G, B. Now on B minor there, we're going to do it inverted. So it'd be D, F sharp, and B. So it's then your C chord again on the next measure there. Root position there, C, E, G. And this G we're going to do inverted. It'd be D, G, B. D, F sharp, A. Go back to root position here on this G. D chord, E minor. There's your inverted B minor chord again. D, F sharp, B. C chord, root position. That's inverted for the G chord there. D, G, B. Also root position, D, F sharp, A, back to that G chord. So that's what it sounds like when you put it all together. Excuse me. Pretty easy song there. I think even an absolute beginner, you could do that one for your family this Christmas.